welcome back to the channel, YouTube family and friends. It's your boy, MastermindX, and we had to dig deep into the archives for this one. Something I've been meaning to build for a long time. I'm not sure if you guys know, but MastermindX has a little bit of back problems, so it's hard for me to sit for long times in the chair. Hence why I've been doing smaller segments or the gaming stuff. We were doing Legos that had a smaller count piece, but now I got an injection. I'm feeling okay. I figure we're gonna tackle one of the big boys. This is set 75315, the Imperial Light Cruiser. It has 1,336 pieces, and it is huge. I am even bagging up so that we can get into the frame. What's really cool about this set is it's kind of like a Star Destroyer, but it is an Imperial Light Cruiser. It's from the Mandalorian series. Bunch of cool stuff on the back here. What's really nice with this set for us here at MastermindX Studios, if I can get the frame here and show you, is we get a lot of minifigs. So with these minifigs though, that we're especially concerned with is the Moff Gideon, because we don't have one of those yet. The Fennec Shand, don't have one of those yet. And the Cara Dune. So we're actually getting 3 new figs out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We'll count Grogu. 6 little figs here, although we have probably about 30 Mandalorians and 30 Grogus from all the different little sets that these guys seem to come in together. Excited to get 3 new onto the channel. That being said, we want to thank a special shout out as well. You guys saw we are still under productions of Jared. Again, Millennium Falcon is coming. It's just one of those things, it's so big. Once I start building it, it's going to be a long series to build. 7,000 some plus pieces. I don't even know how I'm going to do that in this room. I think we might have to do an alternate location for filming. Stinky Socks Gaming gave us a shout out this week, so we're shouting back at them. And with in congruence to them, we're celebrating them with our Mortal Kombat t-shirt on today, because they did announce that Mortal Kombat 1, which is restarting the series, is coming out, and that looks really cool. I'm sure they will be streaming it on their gaming channel, so I'll have a link to their Facebook page in the description below. As always, thank you for the likes, subscribes, and shares. Really appreciate it, guys, and we'll see you on the flip side. Peace!